Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are solving a linear inequality, writing the answer in interval notation, and graphing the solution on a number line. Here is the problem. Solve 9 minus 4x is less than or equal to 6x minus 11. Write the answer in interval notation and graph the solution. Now, solving an inequality works almost exactly like solving an equation. There is just one important rule to remember. If you multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, you must flip the inequality sign. Let's solve step by step. Step 1. Add 4x to both sides. 9 minus 4x plus 4x is less than or equal to 6x minus 11 plus 4x. 9 is less than or equal to 10x minus 11. Step 2. Add 11 to both sides. 9 plus 11 is less than or equal to 10x minus 11 plus 11. 20 is less than or equal to 10x. Step 3. Divide both sides by 10. Since we are dividing by a positive number, the inequality sign stays the same. 20 divided by 10 is less than or equal to x. 2 is less than or equal to x, which is the same as saying x is greater than or equal to 2. Now let's write the answer in interval notation. X is greater than or equal to 2. That means x starts at 2 and goes to positive infinity. In interval notation, we use a bracket next to 2 because 2 is included. And we use a parenthesis next to infinity because infinity is never included. Now let's graph the solution on a number line. Since x is greater than or equal to 2, we place a closed circle at 2. Because 2 is included. Then we shade everything to the right, toward positive infinity. The solution is x is greater than or equal to 2. Interval notation, bracket 2, infinity parenthesis. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. See you in the next one.